I almost don't want to make a Tastemade about this place because the lines are getting crazy long, but there is no better taco truck than El Chato. Gotta have it. So, all the food here is incredible. It really is the best taco truck. I recommend getting the Pastor, but if you want to get outside your comfort zone, you can get the Lengua. Also very good, but just make sure you get some of that salsa. We got ours to go, but you're absolutely allowed to sit in the parking lot and enjoy. And if you want to be really cool, off the menu, ask for the roasted jalapenos that they make. Very good.